is Cory Kendrick. I play for the band Unsentient. We are a death black metal band from Arlington, Texas. I've been playing drums for about 35 years, since I was about 2. So I've been doing it for quite a while, on and off. I've had a few breaks here and there. Played my first gig when I was 3 with my dad's country band. So I've played quite a few styles of music. I like pop, I like, of course, metal, I like orchestra music. Basically, if it's good, I'm gonna like it. I don't care. I would like to say with these sticks, I've really liked them. Actually, you can tell I've already used them. I like that they're a little bit longer. I've noticed that with the reach, I don't have to strain or bend down. I'm actually a little more comfortable, so I like that. They're not like super heavy, but they still have a good like density to them, I guess, if you want to say. So like they seem to be really durable sticks, and especially how I play, I hit really hard. So I really do look forward into actually making these my main sticks now. I really enjoy them. The 5AR, I like these the most, honestly, because I like that they're longer, of course, but it still has the same, round diameter that I like playing, and it's easier for the fast rolls and, my blast beats. So, I think I really am going to enjoy liking these and playing them, and I appreciate getting to be a part of this. Thank you. The song that I'll be covering for you is an original. It's called Impiety. It is our first single, available on iTunes and Spotify. I hope you enjoy it.